Train Your Mind to Be Successful by Sarah Montes focuses on the mental strategies and mindset shifts necessary for achieving success. Here are 10 practical lessons from the book. 1. Set clear goals. Define what success means to you by setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. Clarity in your objectives gives you direction and purpose. 2. Develop a positive mindset. Cultivate a positive attitude by replacing negative thoughts with empowering affirmations. A positive mindset can enhance your resilience and motivation. 3. Practice visualization. Use visualization techniques to imagine your success. Visualizing your goals can reinforce your belief in your abilities and increase your motivation to achieve them. 4. Embrace failure as a learning tool. Shift your perspective on failure. Instead of fearing it, view failures as opportunities to learn and grow, helping you to refine your approach and strategies. 5. Create a daily routine. Establish a consistent daily routine that includes time for goal-oriented tasks, self-care, and personal development. Routines help reinforce habits that lead to success. 6. Limit distractions. Identify and minimize distractions in your environment. Creating a focused workspace can improve your productivity and help you stay aligned with your goals. 7. Surround yourself with positivity. Build a supportive network of people who inspire and uplift you. Positive relationships can motivate you and provide encouragement during challenging times. 8. Practice gratitude. Regularly reflect on what you are grateful for. Gratitude fosters a positive outlook and helps you maintain perspective, even during setbacks. 9. Invest in continuous learning. Commit to lifelong learning by seeking new knowledge and skills. Staying curious and adaptable allows you to evolve and stay relevant in your pursuits. 10. Take action. Overcome procrastination by taking small, actionable steps toward your goals. Consistent action, no matter how small, creates momentum and fosters progress. These lessons from Train Your Mind to Be Successful emphasize the importance of mindset, habits, and resilience in the journey toward achieving personal and professional success.